What's up, everybody? NT27, one box. I got one more box of this, and once again, I am back out of this product. Good luck. What are your guys' thoughts on it? Honestly, like, what are your guys' thoughts? I'm just one of those people, like, I don't like kicking someone when they're already down. Doesn't mean I'm not going to judge you. You know what I mean? Doesn't mean I'm not going to judge the situation, which I think you're an idiot, by the way. I honestly believe that you're an idiot for doing that. Right. Right. What a shitty way to find out. You know what I mean? The public found out before you. I mean, the wife probably feels stupid, embarrassed. You know, she probably feels a lot of things right now. I feel bad for her too. There's Greg Maddux for Atlanta. Sharudo. To 49. What am I doing? And there is the Miz. 25 of 75 for the Brew Crew. I didn't even know he was in this product, honestly. Tripped up with the Miz. There's Norby to 99 for the Fish. City Goat. Triple jersey of Rushing to 99 Dodgers. Dalton Rushing. Hypes. And there is Chase Davis. That's a name we haven't heard in a minute. For the Redbirds to 99. We have a booklet. Goes to the Rangers. 24 of 35. It's Brock Porter. For the Taxi Man. Nice patch. Sick patch for the Rangers. On the Porter 35. I got to get a booklet for that. Excuse me. There's a nice one too. To 49. It's Austin Wells Yankees. Danny J. Nice Wells. You get the number in there, and you got the name, and you got the pinstripe. Nice Wells. Hollow silver to 25. For the Mets, it's Kevin Parada, excuse me. For the Taxi Man, nice kill. 2 colors. 17 of 25. There's Steve Garvey to 49. Legendary relic autograph. That's going to go back to the Dodgers and Hypes. It's that one on the Garvey. And our last hit, I think out of 2024 Bowman, it is Brando Mayea. This time they spelled his name right. For the Yankees. 2 of 25 on the Mayea. And this is the first case I haven't seen a ton of RPAs in. For Danny. Anything? What up, Panda? I missed you, bro. I was thinking about you. I know that sounds wrong. I just haven't seen you in forever. Mayea, Garvey, Parada, nice Wells, Porter on the booklet. And that was the break, guys. Take care, 28. 28's gonna kill it. We're gonna kill that case, and then we'll focus on some basketball products, guys. Thank you, everyone.